Hi, now what I got here is a DeeBot N79, and this is a refurbished item. I got this for less than $100, and in some cases you could get this for less than $90. Now, I do have an iRobot, and in another video I'll actually show you a side-by-side comparison. In this video I'm just simply going to do an unboxing and give you an idea of the quality and go around all the components that's included. So this is a DeeBot N79, and this is a particular one that comes with a remote control. So it has a very nice thick manual. So everything so far that I've looked through seems like it's very high quality. Now, one of these things you have to be careful of is whether it's going to last like my iRobot. So I've had my iRobot 650 for more than 5 years. And I also got a lithium battery for it, so it runs basically 4 hours 3 times a week. So this here is a remote control, and even though this is a refurbished item, it looks like it's basically totally brand new. So you could see this remote control. This will be nice and handy. My iRobot does not come with this. Now the form factor itself looks the same as a iRobot. And the neat thing about this particular one is that it does have a smart app to it. So just keep that in mind, that the smart app is, definitely comes in very handy. Now, the first impression of this is that this has nice, good weight to it. I would say it feels, once again, like very high quality stuff. I noticed that the profile is also about the same as my 650 iRobot. So what's good about that is that it'll fit a lot of your furnitures and also underneath the bed. So just flipping it around, you could see a lot of the parts here are very similar. And in fact, I would say some of these look like it's actually higher quality than my iRobot. Just getting a good feel for it, because I interact with my iRobot fairly extensively, cleaning it out every other month. So there is this ball sensor here. That's how the robot itself turns. You could see the brush here. So, and let me go ahead now and just go through some of these other parts, but just rotating here. See this bumper? It's very nice. You have these brushes, and you can see it comes with 4 brushes. So the iRobot does not come with total of 4 brushes. You can see the wheels themselves, and keep in mind this is once again a refurbished item, but it looks completely brand new. And it has, very good cushion here. Just zooming into the brush head. So let me give you a better look of the trash bin itself, or the dust bin. And you could see once I remove it, there is this better clip than the iRobot. It also has this filter and an air filter also. So this is a very roomy, you can see the amount of dust that it'll hold. It's a very roomy one compared to the iRobot. And once again, in another video I'll have a side-by-side comparison. And of course, it is completely clean, this particular one right now. Show you the brush heads now. So it does come with 4 of these. And you'll notice with this DeeBot, it has it on both sides. So it has a brush here, a brush there. That's something that the iRobot doesn't have. It's a one-sided brush head. And the difference is that these 2 things does have separate motors. So iRobot actually skimped on that. Now the thing to be aware of though is also the reliability. So my iRobot I've had for 5 years, as I mentioned. So I know that is highly reliable and it works, but at the same time, that thing cost me, you know, $350, whereas this here is only $100. So it might be well worth it just to try it out. And this is a very similar recharging station as the iRobot. And it does come with basically your wall charger here. And what it also comes with is a brush here. So you could see a brush to clean it and to scrape it. And also comes with batteries for the remote. So there you go. That is the unboxing of the DeeBot N79. And stay tuned for my other video where I compare this to an iRobot and also the operation of the DeeBot. And I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.